Hey guys, how's it going? Junkzilla here. I hope you enjoyed this week's auction find video. We get a ton of great items here at this sale, as well as one really unique piece. It's a larger item, but it is super cool. We could not pass it up, so we bid on it, and we got it super cheap actually, so make sure to stick around for that, as well as me deconstructing a piece of medical equipment and selling the parts. Make sure to stick around for that as well. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you at the end of the video.
So Snap-on is back there. You might want these boxes first.
Are we 504 or 514?
504.
The Snap-on clock is 514 on it.
Yeah, we won that.
Yeah.
Oh, you got two numbers this time?
I don't think so. We won this, but it's got...
Well, there's two different. Is it on your sheet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
I
on,
may have marked it wrong because Chris.
Yeah, because we won this for
yeah, it's
30
on,
bucks.
we paid for it, yeah. And we got this.
What's that? Oh,
Stamp machine.
That's cool.
And we got that, what is that? Gumball. That's a gumball. See what it is?
Yeah, you called it a vending machine when you were talking to me about
I
it.
didn't mean vending.
The stamp, you got that for 35.
Yeah.
441. Is that on there?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right at the end.
Okay.
Right there.
Yeah, I'll be right back, Mark. I'm going to drop my stuff off.
Okay. Alright. 329. We got two of those for 100 each. So we got these two, 100 each. I don't know where this is supposed to go. I'm not sure. It'll be fine for the transport. So that's 329, 339. Paid 10 bucks a piece for these.
So for these Philips monitors, I'm actually going to take these apart. I'm probably going to do a video of me taking them apart and comping out each individual piece. It seems like they don't sell super consistently, but I wanted to give it a shot. You can find sold comps for these on eBay, but I'm not 100% sure that you can actually sell them. You know how that goes. Sometimes things that you can't even sell, you'll still find comps for them. So I'm going to do a video of me taking these apart. It'll probably be out later this week, so make sure to check out later in the week to see when that video comes out.
339. Get anything over here? Got this, 340. Smoking hazards learning module. Yep, 10 bucks. Oh, it opened right up.
So I also couldn't find a comp for this smoking learning module. We always buy these types of medical display things though. Usually the things for the schools tend to sell pretty well. We have this listed for $130 right now. I bet you we'll be able to get at least $80 out of it, but we usually start high.
What number is that? 222. Wow. Got it for 50 bucks.
That's a crazy deal.
Yeah, that's really cool.
I got the keys for it too. You got the card good, Ron? I said, is the card okay now?
It's bad, I guess.
Alright, well, I'll wait.
So we need 2 storage cases. You got one of those. 4 bins misc tools. Got 1 box of that.
Okay.
The vacuum pumps, the box of sorted tools, drill press, keyboard attachments.
Keyboard attachment?
Yeah, 2 keyboard attachments. You only got 1. I don't know what that is.
Oh, keyboard. Oh, the keyboard. Is that in the case still? I got a keyboard.
Oh yeah. It's in the drawer.
$297. Huh?
What are you looking for now?
We're getting 297. This FAF showing.
Oh, here it is.
FAF. Got this for 150.
All right, now let me get this off here. Lift the cord up.
Sure sign over here. $374. Yep. Got that for
Buy this damn thing.
$15 for the handle and
good.
for this. Gonna take that apart just like the other ones.
Put that case over there. There we go.
All right. See something else over here that's mine? No, I think this thing is though, up top. Yeah, 261.
Oh, you also got the ankle thing.
The what thing?
Ankle or... Did you already pick it up?
I'm not sure what you're talking about. All right, I got this for $40. That's a smoking deal.
I can't get it. We got all these boxes here, but I can't fit them.
What boxes did we get?
It's from Yeah, I couldn't find any resale on these. I don't know.
We only paid $10 a box for them.
Yeah, so if I sell one thing, you get any of these on yours?
Yeah, probably. I shouldn't do that.
So this is an old Best Buy pallet. Inventory validation. That's all I can get on this one. So that shit might be good too. I'm gonna look that up. Alright, can you get that number? I don't know what it was.
Yeah, I already got it, I'm pretty sure. 411.
Let's start them off.
Hold on, where's the printer toner? Oh, I found it.
What is it?
The toner, I found it.
Oh,
402.
that ankle thing you got, I said, let's see what you got.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Achilles, is that what you're talking about?
No, it's
Got this for $10.
keyboard.
Huh?
Or the clipboard.
The keyboard. God damn it. Got this drill press for $50.
So we're going to start this drill press out at $600 on eBay for local pickup and on Facebook Marketplace. We might not get that because it is an older unit, but $50 for a drill press is always a no-brainer.
Okay, here's this. So Junkzilla got this Pelican case for $45. It's pretty good. 132, got them both for $55.
Another box, 114, I think.
Yeah, he paid $110 for that one. Paid $110 for that?
Yeah, it was these things. They're about $200 a piece, so they're good, all right.
Yeah, I had Henry grab them right away. Yeah, you'll get that box of PVC. What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here's a clip of me partially deconstructing this Phillips Sure sign. I sell a lot of the exterior parts for some money. Not a lot of them sell super consistently, but just this little thermostat probe makes the whole thing worth it. This thermostat probe is worth around $35. And then I just take apart the other pieces. The other pieces don't have a ton of sale history, but I figured I would list them. They're all relatively small, so it's not like they're taking up a bunch of room, and I don't mind sitting on them for a while. Now I'm just taking off the exterior pieces here. I'm not going to take apart the actual monitor itself. I'm going to do a different video doing that. Let me know what you guys think of that if you want to see more of that. I do like buying this medical equipment and taking it apart. I think it's really fun. But I've taken apart 2 of these at home, and I'm going to do a video taking apart a 3rd one, and I'm going to post that to show you guys the process of it.
What is? What now?
I'm taking a video of me taking this thing apart.
Why?
Just to include in the auction video.
Oh, just yeah, that'd be kind of cool. Yeah, that's a good idea. Where's the camera?
It's right there.
Now I gotta buy a band for a bunch of nuns and I
Hey.
That's good. I'll make sure to keep that in, Dad. It's like I'm claiming the head of my
kill.
my kill.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's auction finds video. Let me know what you thought of that little disassembling sequence. I'm still new to things like that, so if you think anything should be done differently, let me know down in the comments below. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.